Please, I give it to you. Thank you. Hello. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the public face-off of Cherry Blossom MMA Fight Night, presented by Roxy EMJ and Meghalaya Get Fight. We'll begin with the first bout of the evening from the blue corner. Lichon Town! Two moderate. The face-off. Official weight is 56.8 kilograms, and his opponent from the red corner, Thank you, gentlemen. Next we have a female bout from the blue corner, Jennifer Official weight 53 kilograms, and her opponent from the red corner, Lochelin Walker. Our official weight 50.8 kilograms, representing inside MMA Assam. Here we have, ladies and gentlemen, on stage, female bout. All right, for bout number 3 from the blue corner, Rehan Bena. Standing 5 feet 4 inches tall and official weight 52.2 kilograms. His opponent from the red corner, One King Pong, Jamesu Chian. Official weight 51.2 kilograms, standing 4 feet 11 inches tall. And now next bout is a male bout in the flyweight division from the blue corner, Kevin Mark Shotton. Official weight 57 kilograms, standing 5 feet 4 inches tall. His opponent from the red corner, Pankaj Das, representing Dojang MMA Assam. Official weight 57.2 kilograms. Standing 5 feet 9 inches tall. That's a flyweight bout, ladies and gentlemen. Next is bout number 6 in the flyweight division. From the blue corner, representing Team Revolution MMA, Meghalaya, Tango Melee! Official weight 57 kilograms, standing 5 feet 5 inches tall, and his opponent from the red corner, Lalman Ya Zuala! Representing Team Joseph Minnesota. Official weight 56 kilograms, standing 5 feet 6 inches tall. Flyweight bout, ladies and gentlemen. Next we have a strawweight. From the blue corner, representing the new trip MMA Meghalaya, Frankie Obey! His opponent from the red corner, representing Vietnam MMA, and the state of Maharashtra, Monday, Sapay! Official weight 52 kilograms, standing 5 feet 7 inches tall. Intense stand down tomorrow night's gonna be a banger. Thank you, gentlemen. Next up is the welterweight bout from the blue corner, representing the Combat Academy Nagaland. Please welcome on the stage, Chorus Marvin as well.
Please give a big round of applause.
Yes, from the blue corner, Kado Syria. His opponent from the red corner, representing Vietnam MMA Dehradun. Please welcome Nitesh Benha. Official weight 69.8 kilograms and standing 5 feet 11 inches tall. This is a welterweight bout, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to hear a few words on a message that the fighters have to give for each other, starting with Kedo.
First of all, I would like to thank you so much for having me back to this one, this Shillong. It's good to be back. And one message I would like to give my opponent is I don't personally know him. He came in a last moment notice, short notice. Thank you so much for that. And I'm sure I've trained so hard for this fight, and I'm sure he's also trained so hard for this fight. And I wish him all the best. And tomorrow night we're gonna bang. That's all. Thank you.
Guys, hard work is done. Let's see tomorrow.
All right, guys, a big hand for all the fighters again, once more.
Next bout is a light heavyweight bout. It's a boxing bout. From the blue corner, your very own gangster, Johnny Gangster Johnny. Official weight is 85 kilograms. Standing 5 to 10 inches tall. Representing Tirat Singh MMA Meghalaya. His opponent from the red corner, Andy Ronald. And he's not here at the moment.
Guys, thank you for coming here. Please support the people. But let up, boxing plus MMA fight. Sebaya pihak kesalahan ni seperti video tu nilai. Thank you.
Next bout is an international bout. Representing Bidang MMA, the state of Uttarakhand, please welcome Ajay Singh Dade. Official weight 62.3 kilograms. Standing 5 feet 9 inches tall. And his opponent from the red corner, representing Evolve MMA Delhi, Fridon Walizada. Official weight 62.4 kilograms. Standing 5 feet 8 inches tall. Isaiah, please interview them.
All right, Fridon and Ajay. All right, Fridon, all the way from Afghanistan. The crowd would like to hear a bit about Afghanistan, your preparation, what people are like, and what message you have for your opponents.
No message, we will see in the cage. Yeah, we are here to show our skills. Same guys, I won't talk much. My hands will go in the cage, guys. I will be in the cage, my hands will go in the cage.
A big hand for the guys who let it do all the talking in the cage.
Ladies and gentlemen, next bout is a co-main event of the evening in the bantamweight division. Representing Happy Red Rooster MMA Meghalaya, please welcome Darren Karsande. Official weight 61.3 kilograms. Standing 5 feet 9 inches tall, and his opponent from the red corner, representing Genesis Manipur. Please welcome Liana. Official weight 59 kilograms, standing 5 feet 6 inches tall. Isaiah, please.